Every vehicle has its story, and the story borders on the challenges, the environment, and probably the circumstances that arose or the circumstances that surrounded the manufacture as well as the rollout of a particular vehicle. Today we'll look at a vehicle inspired by a daughter, vehicle manufactured by a father as a gift to the daughter. Today we'll be looking at the Mercedes, a car manufactured by Carl and named Mercedes after his daughter, Mercedes Benz. Today we'll be looking at the Mercedes W212 2013. That is in native words, that is the Mercedes E250 2013. Welcome to the Baldman's podcast. This is the car. It is inspired by the limousine type of look. At the front, you'll get the Mercedes, the grille native to Mercedes. Very good aluminium grille with excellent ventilation, with excellent vents, just to assist with the air circulation and cooling of the engine. These are the vents. These are auxiliary vents just to allow better circulation of air and also cooling of the engine area. Of course, these are the front sensors, your headlight washers, your headlamps, your powerful HID lamps, your fog lights down here with the aluminium bezel. Come up, we have got the 3-pointed stars for the Mercedes. Plus the auxiliary logo at the front here. Let's go back. 18-inch 5-spoke alloy rims sitting on the avant-garde standard suspension. The blue efficiency badge so that you're sure you're saving on fuel. Of course, chrome side skirting. Let's go. Your, of course, side winkers, grilled side mirrors, chrome handles for the Mercedes, both at the front and at the rear. Your shark fin to give it a sporty look and to also reduce drag. Your tail lights inspired by with a slight bump just to better the aerodynamics and reduce drag. The 3-pointed star, the E250 logo and because it is a 2013 unit, it comes with a 7-speed gearbox, which is designated 7 Geartronic gearbox. Come down, double exhaust system because the engine is adequately boosted. On the interior, it's got nice grey leather seats. Your start function, of course, in event it fails you have your auxiliary starter. The display unit has got the Mercedes logo. Your center console is quite busy. Your cup holders, your selector, plenty of storage room, extra lockable storage room, your digital cluster, of course. And for this particular one, they did away with the analog clock. Your buttons, your shifter is here on the right, unlike Japanese models where it is down here at the center console. your indicator, of course your extra functionalities, your light, and this is the parking brake. A very busy interior. Oh, on the door, sorry, there's that wood, carbon fiber wood finish on the door. Your seat adjustment, here they are. Of course your lock, your side winkers, and chrome handles on the interior. And you know, since Mercedes is a passenger car, that is the most comfortable unit space in the Mercedes. In Europe, it is used as a passenger car, and you'll find most taxis in Europe could either be Mercedes C-Class, or in case it's a, let me say it's a high-profile passenger, then they'll deploy the Mercedes E-Class. The rear compartment is quite spacious and would easily fit a 6-foot or a 7-footer. This is the boot space, is adequate. It is extended to the front and can fit up to 3 medium-sized suitcases, plus extra luggage space for the lighter components that could easily get lost. The loading capacity is up to 10 kilograms. The vehicle this vehicle, we have got a 4-cylinder inline turbocharged M274 engine that coughs out up to 210 horsepower and 390 meters of torque. 0 to 100 in 4.7 seconds. This vehicle, this is a Mercedes, and because it is a Mercedes, it is a statement car. This is a vehicle you purchase and it speaks before you get to speak. It is a vehicle that will make a statement before you even have to explain yourself. Park this when you are looking for a tender, and there is a very high likelihood you'll be able to secure this tender. This Mercedes E-Class comes in 5 trim levels. At the very base, we have got the Avant-Garde, then the Elegance, then we have got the AMG. Above it we've got the E43, E53, and at the very very top we have got the E63 package. Ownership cost for a 2013 unit, you'll probably get it for around 2.5 million, but this I'll sell it to you for 2.38 million shillings. Karibuni sana, let us engage on this and any other motor vehicle you are looking to purchase.